I still remember the conversation we had 17 months ago where you said, look, Brian, I'm not the guy that's going to get you 100x. I'm going to get you 10x, and I'm going to invest in companies with revenue. And you started listing the companies, Deribit, Ledger, Yuga Labs, Animoca, Kraken, Gemini, Nova Labs, formerly Helium, and it goes on and on. I mean, these are the best of the best in this space and real infrastructure plays. And it was not what people wanted to hear when Bitcoin hit its high in November, but then fast forward 18 months and you're looking like one of the savviest investors out there. And it's just really interesting because I still remember you saying that to me, like, I'm the one that's going for the 10x returns. And
well, 5 to 10x.
5 to 10x, right.
10x on the portfolio over a 10-year period. We have to, but it's definitely not a venture strategy, which I always say is make 10 investments, 9 go to zero, when one ends up being Google. But no, we certainly do. We look, we are investing at the growth stage. We're looking to invest in companies that have, minimum sort of 30 to 50 million in revenue. Businesses that, are going to be able to withstand the bear phase. And we had one last year. Of the 26 investments, we only had one that was impaired. And, it was only 2.5% of total assets. So it didn't really impair us. And that was partially, why I had the sort of wherewithal and comfort to be allocating in Q4, because we didn't really feel all that pain that was in the rest of the space. And certainly many of those liquid hedge funds that have to mark to market every month. I mean, I was in that business in the macro world for a long time. And, I lived through tremendous periods of pain. And I think the skill really is to get exposure to the space, to the growth and the overall value of the digital asset ecosystem, but without the volatility or, that other people are experiencing. And so, some people have said it's a sleep well at night strategy. Yeah, I mean, I do think the portfolio is going to make us 5 to 10x over that 10-year period. And we're not going to be the best performer in the space. But what's a bit strange? I still feel we're the only fund that I'm aware of that focuses, the only growth equity fund that focuses exclusively on blockchain and crypto businesses. So it gives us a little bit of an edge. We've sort of built our own ecosystem now. The companies that we're looking at for the fourth fund that I'm doing are going to be plugged into that ecosystem. And you can see what all the companies are on my website. I mean, they're all right there. And you're right. I mean, I feel like those are core companies to the ecosystem. We're going to come back 5 years. They're all going to be, still around and thriving.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public. And he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast. It's going to be bloody. It's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true. And you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, do you want to profit from crypto? Then join my DeFi Academy. The Crypto DeFi Academy will help you create generational wealth. But don't take my word for it. Listen to my students.
When I first got into crypto, I remember thinking to myself, I need to learn more. Brian Rose, learning crypto, learning DeFi, gotta do it.
I am so grateful that I jumped in and did this. I had to break through some limiting beliefs that I can do this, that I can afford this, that I can be in this.
It challenges the things that are deeply rooted within us.
Joining DeFi Academy has been one of the best decisions I have made on my blockchain journey.
This course was a life changer, a game changer, a huge eye-opener, coming from knowing practically nothing at the speed of the learning over 4 weeks was just fantastic.
The information you provided in this class was invaluable.
I feel far more confident in my next steps.
You took complex concepts and made them easier to understand.
What's different than so many other ones is it just doesn't tell you what to do. It actually makes you do it.
This is for people who are serious about becoming traders. This is the way it should be done.
I realized from this learning experience again that it is not about what you learn, but about who you learn it from.
The energy was insane. I've never experienced such incredible energy on a live call. Brian Rose, you are a legend, my friend.
It's the only thing in the market where you can get all information and learn everything what you need to know.
Everything is so clear and so well done, and I'm just forever grateful for this program.
It made me feel so much more confident about crypto than I did before.
I did not anticipate how passionate I was going to become about it.
It's also been like a big learning experience for me, not just in the crypto space, but just in overall balance of life.
What I've learned is, how to take ownership, of my life in a way that I really hadn't before.
Yeah, you can't put a price on that, really.
I would recommend it to anybody, top notch.
Excellence does not come cheap. So if you want excellence, you gotta pay for it, but it's so worth it.
Pull the trigger. That's what this course is about.
You're not going to regret it, really. It's amazing.
Thank you, Brian and team.
So what are you waiting for? Crypto is happening now. Click the link below, submit your application, and let me mentor you on how to create generational wealth and build the decentralized financial infrastructure of the future.